Who is known as the father of computer? Answer A. Charles Babbage. Which company developed hack programming language? Answer C. Facebook. Who among the following has largest storing space? Answer C. Terabyte. Who invented the computer mouse? Answer C. Douglas Engelbart. All form of ROM is known as? Answer C. Firmware. In computer technology, what is the full form of FTP? Answer D. File Transfer Protocol. Which key is used to move to next line in a MS Word document? Answer A. Enter key. What is the full form of ISDN? Answer C. Integrated Service Digital Network. Which one of the following is a main system board of a computer? Answer D. Motherboard. Which is also known as? Answer B. Binary digit. Who invented Bluetooth? Answer C. Dr. Jaap Hudson. Who is known for the invention of World Wide Web? Answer A. Tim Berners-Lee. Another name of monitor is called? Answer B. VDU, Visual Display Unit. Which company developed Java? Answer B. Sun. Protocol used for receiving an email is? Answer C. POP3, Post Office Protocol, version 3. Which of the following is used to enter data and instructions into a computer? Answer D. Input device. The word spider is related to in computer? Answer A. Search engine. Which one of the following is a key function firewall? Answer A. Monitoring.